Folks, we're doing examples Rajul, problem number 7. This is actually a fairly easy one. We're going to start out by trying to identify a Pythagorean identity here, and it shows up right away. We see the secant squared x minus 1 is going to become tangent squared x. So let's go ahead and do that step. So this becomes cotangent squared x times tangent squared x. And again, if I wanted to right now, I could change everything into sines and cosines, but I know some other stuff about cotangent squared x and tangent squared x. So cotangent squared x equals 1 over tangent squared x. So this is going to be a really, really easy problem to do if I remember that. If not, I can change everything to sines and cosines, and I'll still get the right answer, but it might take me a little bit longer to do. So let's go ahead and change that cotangent x into 1 over tangent squared x. We're going to multiply that to tangent squared x. Let's make that tangent squared x over 1 just to make things very clear. And we can see the tangent squared x's cancel out, and that becomes 1. So this identity, or this expression, is equal to 1. Let's go ahead and check to make sure that that's correct on Desmos. So we've got our first piece that we started out, our trigonometric expression turned into a function. And we can see that that looks like, on the graph, it looks like that's y equals 1. Let's make sure that that's correct. Y equals 1 overlaps it, and so we're correct. That was examples Rajul, problem number 7.